Sailing. Yachting is an Olympic sport starting from the games of the first Olympiad, with the exception of 1904 and possible 1916. Sailing was always a part of the Olympic program. The sailing program of 1928 consisted of a total of 3 sailing classes. For each class, races were scheduled from 2 to 9 August 1928 on the Buiten near Amsterdam and on the Zuiderzee. The sailing was done on the triangular-type Olympic courses. Venue. Source: 6 Harbour. As venue for the Amsterdam Olympics, the Zuiderzee near Amsterdam was chosen. The organizing committee of the sailing event was the Koninklijke Verbond Nederlandse Watersportvereniging. The Olympic Harbour 6 Harbour was on the north shore of the Y, just opposite of the Amsterdam Centraal railway station. The boats were moored in the so-called Kinderkamer of the harbour. The 6 Harbour was in that time the location of the Koninklijke Nederlandse Zeil and Amp-Vereniging. This resulted that all competing yachts had to go through the locks to enter the Buiten and Zuiderzee. Some of the former buildings of the 6 Harbour were demolished during the construction of the Amsterdam Metro North-South Line. Course areas. A total of 2 race areas were used for sailing at the Amsterdam Olympics. The courses of the 12-feet dinghy were just outside the locks on the Buiten in front of De Dam. For the 6 and 8 meter, the used courses were about 5 nanometers out of the locks, east of the Isle of Marken on the Zuiderzee. At the time, the Zuiderzee had an open connection with the North Sea. The seawater was salt or at best brackish. Waves could be steep and short due to the shallow waters. In 1932 a dam was built between the North Sea and the Zuiderzee, and the Zuiderzee was renamed IJsselmeer. As a result of this, the lake now contains fresh water. Inside the lake, new land was reclaimed. At this moment, the center of the 1928 6 and 8 meter course is located in the city of Almere. Also, the city of Amsterdam reclaimed land from the sea and moved towards the lake. When the sailors from the 1928 Summer Olympics could return to the venue, they would hardly recognize it. Competition. Source: Overview, Continents, Countries, Classes, Race Schedule. Source: Medal Summary. Source: Medal Table. Source: Other information. Sailing. During the sailing regattas at the 1928 Summer Olympics, among others, the following persons were competing in the various classes. Norway: Crown Prince of Norway, Crown Prince Olav in the 6 meter. France: first full-time yacht woman, Virginie Ariad in the 8 meter. United States yachting legend and inventor of the swimfin, Owen Churchill in the 8 meter. Norway: owner of Wilhelmsen, Norway: Wilhelm Wilhelmsen Jr. in the 8 meter. Netherlands: yacht designer and boat builder, Netherlands: Willem de Vries Lench in the 12-feet dinghy.